This is my first time seeing this monstrosity 6x6 LMTV with Clipper Coachman travel trailer that my friend Chris built. I just pulled up here. We gotta go take a look at this thing. Oh my. It's huge. It is so much taller than I thought it would be. Wow. This deck is insane. It was made with the side panels to the flatbed and then steel beams that come out and they just unbolt and slide back in. And then stairs going up it. Got the awning right out. If you remember from last year's videos where I went to the East Coast, we met my friend Chris at the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival, where he helped spot me through the obstacle course. After that, he helped me with a few installs on the Jeep, and we camped on the private property behind his house. We also camped at his friend's closed campground, and if you remember from that video, he brought a shuttle bus that he converted and actually towed this trailer that's now on the 6x6. So in order to build this monstrosity of a rig, all he had to do was buy this used Military Stewart & Stevenson LMTV 6x6, chop up his trailer a little bit, and slap it on there. I mean, I'm sure there's a little bit more to it than that, but this is the same LMTV 6x6 base as Mike Drive the Globes rig, as well as AJ and his wife's rig, the orange 6x6 that we did a rig walkthrough of last year at Overland Expo East. And it also reminds me of my buddy Tim, Adventure Athlete 6x6, home on wheels with a 13-foot off-grid solar garage. So if you're interested in seeing any of those rigs, I'll link them down below. And it's super sweet to see Chris adding another big rig LMTV 6x6 birthed into the overland world. So yeah, this deck actually comes out in 3 pieces and they store in here. How neat is that? Got 2 20-pound propanes up there. Check this out. Walk underneath without even ducking. Walk underneath the slide. It's that tall. This thing has the central tire inflation system too, so you can air up and down from the cab. How neat is that? How high the camper is off the freshwater drain. It's like you can't really even give perspective how big this freaking thing is. 13 feet 6 inches tall. It's literally about, that's like the exact legal height that you're allowed to be. Chris's WJ, you guys have seen this in past videos. With the Dirty Life beadlocks. This thing sounds like a beast. That V8, baby. Oh, hey. We're chilling. As you can see, we got the lights on. So it must be nighttime. Hey, bud? Yep, it is. Wish I could show you, but we'll show you tomorrow morning when we wake up. We're at my buddy Chris's house, and Chris helped me install this epic slide out table in Amanda's van. Look at that, out of 40-inch butcher block. Last time I was here in Pennsylvania, and this time we're just finishing up some trim and mainly just hanging out, catching up, and checking out his amazing 6x6 build. So this was going on while I was gone in Arizona. He sent me pictures of this. I'll be meeting up with Amanda again tomorrow. I'm excited to be sleeping in her van tonight, living that van life. So yeah, I love this build. Love these lights in here on the dimmer. Ooh, we can set that mood. Some beers, more beers. So probably crack into one of these here. Yeah, been fun to be back in Pennsylvania. It's been bittersweet to be away from my Jeep, but I've got Amanda's awesome van to hang out and drive around and live that nomad life. Check this out. We're currently plugged in. We got electric heat, baby. We don't even need it. It's not even that cold, but We're bougie over here. We're camping on private property. We're on the East Coast. It's what you do over here. What's up? Good morning. Let's check out where we're at here. That's where Chris lives. So, yeah, it's a pretty sweet place to be camping. So his house is right there. And he just bought this property right next door. That's a big fire setup for later. So, we parked next door. It's like we're his next door neighbor right now. But yeah, let's hop in the van, start it up. We'll unplug, because look at this, he's got electrical plug-in right here. Love how vans have those big windshields in the front. And we're here. That was quite the journey. Not really. There's the 6x6. So we just gotta get some trim for right around Amanda's table. Fill in some pretty cool tool we're using to get miter cuts. It's a miter box with the saw. So the saw just slides in there. Wow, that's so nice. Look at that. We'll grab the handles here. We just painted these up for Amanda's van. Getting it dialed in. The trim looks really good around the table. So yeah, stoked that Chris is helping us with this. Let's get that on. Now we're going to drive his friend's neighbors. Razor 1000. I don't want to be driving apparently. Oh, left here? Oh, this is sick, man. It's so cool to do it in a side-by-side and your Jeep and all the different times of the year. Oh, bush whipped up and caught me. Gotta be careful out there. Thanks, man. Wow, that's fun. All right, yeah, we're gonna just mash through this new trail, I guess, right now. You ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. Hold up. Whoa. I didn't know there was a hole there. Holy cow, yeah, there is. Where are we? Oh. We're just on the side of this mountain. You see how steep it is? Yeah, I got hung on some stuff. Oh, there's a rock there. Ah, a rock will do it. Okay, go ahead and shut it off. That's when you know it's bad. Oh, for sure. Man, I couldn't see anything. I mean, I was like, especially after getting cut on the nose a bit there, I was a little worried about scratching my eye or something. Let's see what we did here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So I got it stuck on the log. Yep. Ah, if only I would have stayed to that side of the log. If only I could have seen the log. Look at that. Oh, nice. I had a feeling this would get gnarly when you said point up the mountain. And there's just literally no trail here. This is Chris's friend's private property, by the way, so we can do this. He built all these trails. Oh! Easy. Trying to clear some trail here. Yeah, this is like barely walkable. Dude, I'm just caught in it. Ah. Ow. Jeez. All right, I got out. Ah. Ah. All right, we're just gonna back out. We scoped it out up there. It's too crazy. It was too much wood and too overgrown. There we go. You're looking clear of these logs. Oh yeah, that's stick. Oh, nice. You just perfectly cleared that stick and put the tire into it so the tire could eat it. That was awesome. Wow, it looked like it was maybe gonna go in the door for a second. Look, you guys, this is what we came barreling up through. Just destroy. All right, bottom to top. We're doing a bonsai run, eh? At the camp spot. I don't know why I pulled in like that, but that is a rush. Woo! About 52 miles an hour on that little side hill hump. What an epic time we had checking out Chris's 6x6, putting some trim on Amanda's table, and mobbing that Razor 1000. Hit that subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more van life videos from the East Coast. Just a couple more, and then we'll be back west in my Jeep Gladiator home on wheels. Check out my Patreon for product giveaways, chances to connect with me, exclusive content, exclusive merchandise, and all sorts of cool stuff for being a supporter of the channel. We'll see you there at patreon.com/down to mob. The only question is, are you down to mob?